Hi everyone, this is Imtiaz Pasha. Today, let me give you a brief description of the board called PYNQ. Here, the PYNQ is designed by Digilant, and this particular PYNQ is actually an open source project from Xilinx. Xilinx is a FPGA vendor that makes it easy to design embedded systems with a Xilinx Zynq system on chip. So this is nothing but SoC, an example of SoC, the system on chip, which has, along with the Xilinx FPGA fabric, there is a processor core, a hardware processor core, which is nothing but ARM Cortex A9. Okay, so here, the specialty of this particular board is using the Python language and libraries. Designers can exploit the benefits of a programmable logic and microprocessor in Zynq to build more capable and exciting embedded systems. So here we can say this particular boards targets for parallel hardware execution, high frame rate video processing, like HDMI, hardware accelerated algorithms, real-time signal processing, high bandwidth I/O, and low latency control. So let's see who is a PYNQ for. So PYNQ is intended to be used by a wide range of designers. In my way, I would say it's the best board for the beginners who want to do something about the embedded systems, or the people are like young engineers who are new to the FPGA and who want to use it as like a small kind of projects. Here, even the software developers who want to take the advantages of the capabilities of Zynq and programmable hardware without having to use ASIC style of design tools and design, they can use it. They can use this particular platform. And coming to the hardware designers who want their designs to be used by the wide possible audiences, like we can use this Python language, which is usually a scripting language, and moreover that later. Let me give the key technologies for this particular board. The first one is a Jupyter Notebook, is a browser-based interactive computing environment. It does support. For that, we need to have an what you call a kind of setup arrangement that I will cover up in next video. And next thing is using Python, developers can use hardware libraries and overlays on the programmable logic that can speed up the software running on a Zynq board and customize the hardware platforms and interfaces. So for this, we need to have a PYNQ image, which is actually a bootable Linux image, which includes PYNQ Python package and other open source packages. Okay, so to start up with this PYNQ, first thing is obviously you need to have a PYNQ board, and then you get a PYNQ image which can easily download it from the website called www.PYNQ.io. Then and check for the getting started guide, and then read the PYNQ documentation. Then you can able to do a lot of bundles of projects on this PYNQ. Thank you for watching.